In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Arc Raiders voice chat not working. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings on Arc Raiders here, as you can see. So I need to go into settings. And now in here, I'm going to go into audio. And the first thing we need to actually check is the output mode, sorry. So this one's stereo and headphones, make sure that this one is correct. So if you're using your headphones, make sure this is the one that you need to set it for. And then in here, we're just going to scroll down now. And this is also very important, probably the most important actually, enable voice chat. We need to of course set this one to on. And this one right here, party voice chat mode, you can have it push to talk, or you can have it just open microphone. I have it, you can have it open microphone, but this one needs to be something else. So for example, push to talk on the proximity voice chat right here. But you can play around with these settings and make sure that the volume right here also, as you can see these two, make sure that these ones are not that low either, of course. And yeah, basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.